Hi, I'm Srini, founder of Flowtra, a lightweight tool that turns repetitive portal work into repeatable bots. In this video, I want to show you at a business level what it looks like to work with Flowtra as a design partner. You bring one manual workflow your team is already doing today, and here is how we turn that manual workflow into a repeatable bot that runs on a schedule in your own environment. The first step is understanding the workflow you want to automate. You walk me through how it works today, where it starts, the key steps and decisions, and what needs to happen with the results at the end. We look at the whole picture, including any downstream reports, handoffs, or systems that depends on this work. The goal of this step is simple. Agree on a clear end-to-end picture of the process before we turn it into a bot. Once we agree on the workflow, we translate it into a Flowtra flow, a clear structured set of steps a bot can follow consistently. Your manual process becomes a repeatable automation that behaves the same way every time. Each flow is designed to stay reliable as your portal evolves over time. Flowtra's player uses AI-assisted recovery to adapt to routine changes on the pages it works with. So your automations are built to last, not just to work once. By the end of this step, you have a first version of the bot that reflects your workflow and is ready to review in action. Next, we review the bot together on real examples. You see the decisions it makes and the results it produces. You tell us what you would change, and we tune the logic and checks until the output matches what good looks for your team. The goal of this step is simple. We want to make sure you trust the results enough to use them in your day-to-day work. Once you are happy with how the bot behaves, we set it up to run in your environment. Flowtra runs through a lightweight agent on your side, so access and credentials stay under your control. You map any logins or keys as local secrets the bot can use when it runs. From there, we decide how you want it to run on demand, on schedule, or both. That might be once a day, a few times a week, or more frequently, even hourly, depending on how often your work appears. At that point, the workflow has moved from something your team does manually to a bot that runs safely in your environment and delivers results on a predictable rhythm. Once the bot is live, for the first 15 days, we stay close to the flow, watching runs, checking the outputs, and tightening anything that doesn't quite match your day to day reality. If your team spots edge cases or new patterns during that period, we fold those back into the flow. Beyond that, you still have ongoing support from us for questions, adjustments, or new versions of the workflow as your process evolves. That's it. 6 simple steps to turn your manual portal workflow into a reliable flow and reduce the manual work for your team. To learn more, visit flowtra.app and start with our design partner program. Or simply leave a comment. We will get back to you soon. Thank you for watching.